If you are watching this, you are likely part of the AI for Good Squared University project, and we're glad you're here. This is more than an academic exercise. It's a hands-on opportunity to apply AI, business thinking, and real-world execution to support micro businesses working to grow and compete in the global economy. What you're stepping into is both practical and meaningful, with real potential to make a difference. Over the coming weeks, you'll be working within a coordinated system where different roles come together toward a shared goal. Some of you will focus on building AI agents, tools that support marketing, sales, customer engagement, and operations. Others will focus on business strategy, translating goals into clear, actionable plans. Together, these roles form a complete solution designed to drive real, measurable outcomes. At the center of all of this is a real micro business. This is not a simulation. The work you do connects directly to real goals: growing revenue, improving efficiency, reaching more customers, and building a sustainable future. That means your ideas and execution truly matter, and they have the potential to create meaningful impact. As you begin your journey in this project, the first step is to understand the business deeply and intentionally. This means going beyond surface-level observations to truly learn the business context, its goals, the challenges it faces, and the opportunities that may not be immediately visible. What is the business trying to achieve? Where is it struggling? Where is there untapped potential? The clarity you build here becomes the foundation for everything that follows. From that foundation, you move into the develop phase. This is where insight turns into action. You will design strategies, define AI-driven workflows, and begin shaping real-world solutions. It's not just about ideas, it's about creating something practical, something that can actually work within the constraints of the business. Here, creativity meets structure, and innovation is guided by what you've learned. Next comes review. Every solution must be tested against reality. You will evaluate your work for practicality, clarity, and potential impact. Does it make sense for the business owner? Is it simple enough to use? Will it truly improve outcomes? This phase ensures that what you've built is not just impressive, but usable, effective, and meaningful. Finally, we arrive at outcome. This is where strong solutions move forward toward real implementation and deployment. The goal is not just to complete a project, but to create something that can live beyond it, something that can generate real value, real income, and real impact for the business. Hands-on AI agent specification from natural language is optional. If you want hands-on, send an email with what you propose to the address on the bottom left of the screen. Everyone can make a contribution whether or not your project advances to the implementation and deployment phase. Innovation is iterative and progress is collective. Your work matters because every project helps build the future. First, you learn by capturing lessons, insights, challenges, and discoveries from the business context. Then you document, and in some cases build, by applying that knowledge to create better solutions, stronger workflows, and more practical recommendations. Next, you improve by strengthening the system, an approach based on review, feedback, and what proves useful in the real world. Finally, you share your work so it can inform and inspire future cohorts. Even if your solution does not move directly into deployment, your analysis, documentation, and lessons learned can help the next team go further. That is how this project grows: one contribution, one insight, and one improvement at a time. Some or all of your work may move forward into implementation and deployment, but only when it is built with purpose and practicality. The strongest solutions are not just creative, they are innovative, cost-effective, efficient, and scalable. When your work reflects these qualities and aligns closely with the real needs of the business, it can move beyond concept and into a live environment. That is where your ideas begin to produce real, measurable results, improving operations, increasing efficiency, and creating sustainable impact. This is the moment where thoughtful design becomes practical application, and where solutions are no longer just ideas, but tools that can grow, adapt, and scale in the real world. You're contributing not just to this project, but to a larger initiative. With the right coordination of people and technology, each insight, each workflow, and each recommendation contributes to something bigger, a system designed to uplift microbusinesses at scale, without losing focus on the success of each individual business. Even if a solution is not deployed immediately, it becomes part of a growing knowledge base, helping future teams learn faster, improve more effectively, and build stronger solutions. Progress here is iterative. Each contribution strengthens the network, advances the approach, approach and moves the system forward. Because in this project, you are not just learning, you are building toward a better future. We will share and reuse selected results from your work. This allows future cohorts to learn from your insights and build upon what you've created, going further, faster. Together, this creates a continuous cycle of shared knowledge and improvement across teams, universities, and recipients, expanding impact beyond a single project. We're looking forward to seeing what you come up with. Your next steps are available through the QR code on the screen. Now, a nice little tune that AI did for us.
Bright young minds, digital dreams, cracking codes, unleashing schemes. Coffee cups, late night glow, making future start to grow. AI magic, smart solutions, new equations, grand revolutions. Code and coffee, brains on fire, building empires, reaching higher. Spreadsheets singing, data dance, every problem gets a chance. Algorithms humming, future bright, turning whispers into light. AI magic, smart solutions, new equations, grand revolutions. Code and coffee, brains on fire, building empires, reaching higher. No more guessing, just knowing now. Student power showing how, from classroom desk to boardroom mic, shaping tomorrow with pure